I came to Dr. Cilento because I was looking for an alternative to a CPAP. So, in my first appointment, he happened to notice that I had a severely deviated septum. And we wound up doing that procedure just a couple weeks later. And it gave me great results. After he took the splints out, I was fine, and I haven't had any problems since. I breathe so much better than I ever did before. So I'm good for it. And it turns out I was a candidate for the Inspire, so I'm waiting to get that done too now.